Hello everyone, here's a quick update. I promised this video a while ago. Urban Fox really came out wrong. FUX. Hunty the Punty, Tom K, 3SGT. Oh, the issue with their PlayStation 4 making a lot of noise. So I did a video the other day of my cat, and all you can hear in the background was PlayStation. So this is what happens. My cat sleeps on my PlayStation. I don't know if you guys can see that. Wonderful. Cat here, dust. I got here is a friend with a blowgun. Got a tack rag, which you use for painting, which is sticky, so we're gonna stick that right in there. Yeah, lovely. So I already got the other two sides, but yeah. Only thing I did is I left the disc in, which I probably shouldn't have, and this has worked for me, so if something breaks, you blame it on the goat man. Watch out, this is gonna make some noise. Perfect. Roll that baby around. So yeah, there you go. I'll turn it on when I get home. Hopefully it'll be quieter. You might even use dust off or something for that too, but yeah. Hope that helps anyone. Make their PlayStation quieter, and cheers everyone, enjoy.